Our top story, Madras High Court has ruled out rape or murder charges in the Kallakurichi death case. The court has said that there is no evidence of rape or murder. Taking cognizance of the suicide note, the High Court ruled that the 17-year-old died by suicide as she felt difficulties in solving chemistry equations. The High Court also said that there is no evidence to show that the teachers abetted the student's suicide. The court said, and I quote, the teachers, when they are directing their students to study well, is part of teaching, and it would not amount to abetment to commit suicide. Dharini joining us for more on this. Dharini, this is an important order that has come from the court in the Kallakurichi case. Tell us what the court said.
Remember, the Kallakurichi girl's body was post-mortem, twice, not once, but twice. The family demanded a third post-mortem too, but that didn't happen. Only two post-mortems happened. So, the Madras High Court had earlier ordered that both of these post-mortem reports should be, observed by a team of expert doctors from Jibmer, and they'll also submit a separate report on these two post-mortem reports. So now the Madras High Court, after reading, both the post-mortem reports, or both the early post-mortem reports and the Jibmer report, they have now concluded that the girl did not die because of rape or murder, and that the reason for her death is completely suicide. So that is what the Madras High Court has told. It has ruled out the possibilities of rape and murder from the girl's death. So this particular Kallakurichi incident, it's been a shocker to the state of Tamil Nadu. It was widely discussed for the past couple of months, and several conspiracy theories were also spiraled out of this incident. So the Madras High Court has come out and ruled out the possibilities of rape and murder now. So all the conspiracy theories that have been going on in the state of Tamil Nadu for the past couple of months have come to an end finally. So the air has been cleared. So the Madras High Court has also went on to tell that the girl, she had some difficulties with the subject of chemistry. She had some difficulties with creating and applying equations in chemistry. So that is what the Madras High Court has told. In fact, in her suicide note also, the girl in fact had written something about her difficulties with the subject of chemistry. So the court has went on to tell that teachers asking the students to study and teachers asking students to solve and put down chemistry equations is not torture, or is not forcing them to commit suicide. So it is part and parcel of the academics, and it happens with all the students. So the court has told that there's no evidence that has been solidly found to tell that the school or any of the teachers in the school had forced her to commit suicide. So based on these facts, the court has also granted bail to 5 people, that is 2 teachers from the schools and the corresponding secretary and the principal of that concerned private school. So all these 5 people, they have been granted bail by the Madras High Court.
All right, Dharini, thanks very much for joining us with those details. So High Court there citing in its order that the teachers, when they are directing their students to study well and directing the students to tell the derivation or equation, it is part and parcel of teaching, and it would not amount to abetment to suicide. So that's what the court has said in this important order that has come in the Kallakurichi case. The Madras High Court ruling out rape and murder in that case, and the court saying that taking the cognizance of the suicide note, the court ruling that the 17-year-old died by suicide as she felt difficulties in solving chemistry equations.